Today, NSUI Goa, we had come to meet Honorable Governor regarding the tragedy that took place in the BITS Pilani campus. Today, NSUI Goa has lost trust and faith in the Chief Minister as well as the government. आम्ही गव्हर्नराकडे रिक्वेस्ट केला की ह्या इश्यूवाचेर ताणें डायरेक्टली इंटरफियर जावन बेगीचे बेगीन एक इंडिपेंडंट ज्युडिशियल इन्क्वायरी करून बेगीचे बेगीन एक रिपोर्ट गोंयच्या लोकां मुखार ताणें दवरचो म्हणून. कित्याक फाटली 1 वर्सां जाली खुबशी केसीस पेंडींग आसा आनी टील डेट एक प्रॉपर रिपोर्ट पासून निदर डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टरा कडेन आसा, निदर गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन आसा, निदर गव्हर्नरा कडेन आसा. So that is why we requested him to interfere directly आणि बेगीचे बेगीन एक इमिडिएट ॲक्शन घेवचे जे कोण इन्वॉल्ड आसा तांचेर. आमी काल न्यूजारूय पळयल्लें की एक आर्टिकल पब्लीश जाल्लो रिगार्डिंग की बिट्स पिलानी इन्स्टिट्यूटात ते अवेरनेस प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट करतले म्हणून. आनी तातूंत एक तो जो प्रोग्राम तेमी जो मेन्शन केला MITR विकली अवेरनेस प्रोग्राम तो तेमी इन द मंथ ऑफ सप्टेंबराकूय मेन्शन केल्लो आनी काल तेमी सेम प्रोग्राम मेन्शन केला की ते परत कंडक्ट करतले म्हणून. हें कांय न्हू, हें भुरग्यां भितर फकाणायस जाल्या. ह्या भुरग्यां मुखार एक्झॅक्ट सारकें सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार फकाणाच्यो खबऱ्यो जाल्या ह्यो. कित्याक सेम प्रोग्राम जो प्रोग्राम तुमी सप्टेंबराक स्टार्ट केल्लो तो सेम प्रोग्राम तुमी आयज परत स्टार्ट करतले आनी आफ्टर कंडक्टिंग दॅट प्रोग्राम ऑल्सो 6 incidents took place. So are they really taking this issue on a serious note? Are they conducting this program on a serious note? That is also the question, because this institute is situated in Goa. And we know that it doesn't come under Goa education system, but कशें आसा की जायते भुरगे भायले भुरगे ह्या इन्स्टिट्यूटांत शिकता. ओके, आणि बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ऑनगोईंग इन्सिडंट आयज गोंयच्या एज्युकेशन सिस्टमाचेर प्रश्न पडला की आर स्टुडंट्स रियली सेफ इन गोवा. हो आयज गोवा एज्युकेशन सिस्टमा मुखार एक प्रश्न आसा. सेकंडली आमकां आयज आमी गव्हर्नरा कडेन जेन्ना डिस्कस केला तेन्ना एक स्पेशल पॉयंट आमी तांकां मेन्शन केल्लो की थंय एक लिकर शॉप आसा. ओके, आनी ताचेर बेगींतल्या बेगीन एक्शन जावपाक जाय, बिकॉज स्टुडंट्सानूय आमकां रिपोर्ट केला की थंय इलिगल एक्टिविटीज जाता, माल प्रॅक्टिसीस जाता. ओके, सो दॅट इज वाय. आनी इट इज नियर बाय कॅम्पस एक 100 meters डिस्टन्साचेर आसा, बट एज पर गायडलायन्स विदीन 100 meters खंयच एज्युकेशनल इन्स्टिट्यूटा कडेन खंयच लिकर शॉप बी आसपाक जायना म्हणून. सो तेणें सांगलां की ताचेर बेगींतल्या बेगीन तो कारवाय करतलो आनी इमिडिएट एक्शन वील बी टेकन ऑन दॅट शॉप. आनी कांय ना, इफ बेगींतले बेगीन तरी आमकां इमिडिएट रिपोर्ट मेळना आनी बेगींतल्या बेगीन इन्क्वायरी सॉल्व जायना जाल्यार NSUI गोवा वील बी फोर्स्ड टू एंटर द कॅम्पस आनी आमी पळयतले की until and unless आमकां ह्या इन्क्वायरी जायना आनी प्रॉपर रिपोर्ट मेळना, वी वील डू अ मास प्रोटेस्ट एंड वी वील शट डावन बिट्स पिलानी कॅम्पस. थँक्यू.
Until now, 6 deaths have happened in the same campus. Now, the first death has happened in the month of December, year 2024. But the most interesting part of this case is no forensic report has been published or reported to the police by the forensic department. Now, when we say the cause of death, it is not known to us. So, whether it is a case of suicide or whether it is a case of murder. Now, if it is a genuine case of suicide, then it is okay. But the cause of death, since it is not out, how would we get to know? So that is a very serious concern, because the bodies of the students have already been cremated, and normally it takes 3 to 4 months for us to get the forensic report. But why these forensic reports are deliberately kept in the dark? That is a serious question to be asked.
So today, after meeting the governor, we have put a request to the governor today, and we requested the governor mainly to implement an immediate constitution of a judicial commission to inquire about this incident, because already 6 deaths have happened on campus and it's happened within the same campus in the same year. We also requested the governor to implement a mandatory implementation of 24/7 campus offline mental health services, so that students, if they are facing any academic pressure or any mental pressure, they can always approach the counselor or anything like that. Then we have also requested a comprehensive external audit of academic pressure and campus culture and anti-ragging systems in the campus. And we have also mainly, our main point is that we have requested an immediate review and cancellation of all permissions and granted to the liquor establishments or similar structures near the campus itself. Because the main doubt is that all such activities or such as drug peddling is happening from that liquor shop. And we also, our main request is transparent disclosure of any inquiry findings, because today the entire Goa is in darkness about these issues. Till now, no such forensic reports have come into light. Even the suicide note, they have not told us the probable cause of death also till now. And to end with it, NSUI Goa stands with the students of Goa today. No matter what happens, we stand with the students of BITS Pilani, and we are not going to tolerate any such nonsense which is happening today.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
दाने दाने में आरोग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु, दाने दाने में सौभाग्य प्राप्तिरस्तु। अमृत जैसा इसका स्वाद, ये है पौष्टिकता का प्रसाद। कण कण में पंचामृता, रग रग में पंचामृता, तन मन में पंचामृता, देश भर में पंचामृता, घर घर में पंचामृता प्राप्तिरस्तु।
शुद्ध भी, स्वाद भी, सेहत भी। पंचामृता खाओ, हेल्थी जियो।